Welcome to Zwida Media. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Here's a new video for today. Enjoy.
Abhodla Umlilo umelaphi wendabuko owaziwa ngelika Gogo Skhothen ezikoleni zokuxhumana othandwa izenkumbi ezabalandeli. Nginibingelele ngiphinde nginamukele kuphinda kuphi la nibola khona le video. Manje uqala sijoyinele lelikhasi wamwelekile igama lami ngosibonga konke wakandando mothanda ungangibiza intatheli ka YouTube. Abhodla Umlilo ngumelaphi wendabuko uGogo Skhothen ngamathwasa akhe acwaswe kwesinye sezitolo eHarrismith abeyothenga inyama kwa U-KFC. Uthi into le ehlezi yenzeka kodwa bebeyithatha njengomdlalo kanti ke ilokho iqhubeka kanjalo kungakho beze bakhetha ukuthatha izinyathelo. Sikhuluma nje babambe imashi banekeleka khona beyofuna ukuthola iziphendulo ngaphandle ukuthi ngikhulume kakhulu ubambela ungathozwe ngentatheli ka YouTube.
Hi guys, I think azange ningizwe ama status ami engiwabhalile on, I think ngibhale kabi, understand. So my kids usually love KFC, so they come to Harrismith in like KFC in Harrismith to buy, and then they ask them to take off their shoes because my best endombens were keeping it. Okay, we took it as a joke, but it became serious. So bangena phakathi eKFC, mabangena phakathi eKFC abafuna ukubanikeza ishintshi babanikeza attitude. Hayi ngicabanga ukuthi kaSkhothen lana blah 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 blah. So I think it's people who have a problem with me. I don't mind when they have a problem with me, but they must not take it out of my kids. I love my kids so much. So they must not mistreat them. I mean, what's that? What should they wear? They are black people. Why is it that they should wear? So now we came to KFC, they closed the doors. They don't want us to come inside. So I mean, it's weird. I spoke about ShopRite earlier. We went to ShopRite. They apologized. So we are here. My kids can't buy, guys. Why? They won't change. This is their clothes. They must wear like this. I mean, if people don't want me in Harrismith, it's okay. But what have my kids done? Mina, it's okay. It's okay. But then why? Why? Abantwana bambenzeni. Guys, it's sad because it's black over black. Why Ngesenzo so abantu abamnyama? Amunye angibuza ukuthi amathosana wami baze lapho ukuthi baso. Amathosana wami maningi la Harrismith, you understand? And bahlala bahamba in groups. That's how they know. So it's like KFC outside. They don't want them to be inside. I mean, why? They must open for us. They must be specific why they don't want us. They're black people, the very same people who might need their help one day. Why do you have to mistreat them? Yes, I'm here, Harrismith, but if they don't want to, I'm not going to leave because of them. Why can't they leave my kids alone? Why? We need each other. They need us to come by. And why can't people see who we need each other? We need each other. There, they locked themselves inside instead. So it's an issue. It's an issue. So I understand what my sister KFC let's talk kitchen, chicken now. Chicken yes, they don't go inside all of them. Manje beze bonke because people didn't want them to open. Obviously, I guess beze itu Sestolo by 50. Magazine Sestolo by 2 or 3. Uzo bathe isuka lani nakusika Skhothen. What the fuck is that? So I can understand this is a personal issue. They have a serious issue about them. But they have a serious issue ngami. This is not flipping fair. This is not fair. So because they wear like this, they can't come in. This is hate amongst blacks. What the fuck is going on, guys? Why? Let's respect each other's beliefs. Let me respect you when you are black. Let me respect you, moms alwani. But then why, Mr. Lela? Nobody said they came inside all of them. They came now because they didn't want lethu ekhona babachela ukuthi yithi. We stopped. They've been mistreating us for the longest time, and we thought they're joking, but they were not joking. This is not right, guys. No. And I mean, I was not here to fight. I want them to talk to us, to apologize if they need to. Maybe they didn't realize what they're doing is wrong, but they need to do that. What's that? It's a personal vendetta against me. It's okay. Ilan guys. I can't abantu. Babizwe ijos labo kimi. Bayigeleni. Bayigeleni, guys. It's so sad. It's so sad. It's not even funny. It's so sad. The community is here supporting us, and we really appreciate that, because my kids are harmless, guys. They're just human beings. I don't get it. I don't get it. How? Why? Mongena KFC akusangena ngecathulo. But kusendumbeni la kuse KFC. This is weird. This is weird. This is weird.